the other teams are bigger, faster, stronger. We're going to start, we're going to finish, and we're going to be proud of what we do. On my part.